I'm Samuel Levy and I'm doing an apprenticeship with Equinox Communications. Initially I went for an interview with a different company, and although I enjoyed the interview, the representatives from Sgil Cymru, after hearing me speaking, felt that I suited a interview at Equinox instead. So they arranged that for me, and I got to admit that was the best decision ever because the company suits me so much better than the one I went to previously. I just fit straight in, it's great. Probably the CIPR Awards, which I attended a few months after starting the apprenticeship. It was a really good night. We went to the Cardiff City Hall. We sat with a nice dinner provided for us, all paid by the company. We won multiple awards. We were crowned the best agency in Wales, which was a nice touch. And then we went out and drank all night basically. It was paid for by the company as well. The taxi home was paid for by the company, so can't complain there. It was a great night, lots of good memories. It's been great. I've learnt obviously a lot about videography and graphics design and all the other different facets of multimedia which I do in the company. And on a personal level, I feel it's rounded me as a person. I feel more of an adult now because of a year through that, and more of a sociable person as well. We've become quite sociable as a company, as a group, and I really appreciate that. Well, I've been offered the job now by Equinox, so I'm open to go into employment with them, which will be great because I really love the job and it's one I'd like to stay for many years, really.